Well, since we're doing updates, I thought I would update on the condition of the injector and the copper cell that we're using. Injector's fine. We had replaced the tubing, the ozone tubing, last year. It had started to yellow. I think the sunlight, heat, and ozone just started to get to it. We're still running the bypass ball valve full open, and we have a 2-inch water line, and then we push it down to 1.5 inches for the ion cell and 1 inch for the injector, and that's a Mazy injector, Venturi, made by Mazy Corporation in California. So here's the copper cell. After about, let's see, that's just this season. We replaced it at the beginning of this season, so it was replaced in May 2018. It's now end of August, early September, and you can see a little bit of oxidation on the outside of the cell and where the water flows. It's pretty clean where the ions peel off, and there, if I can zoom in, you can see the amount eaten away. So it's about just over 1/8 of an inch or a couple millimeters eaten away from the cell this season. So it seems to last about 2 years, and then we have to make new cells and put new cells in there. So that's the update on the copper and the ozone manifold.